Hey guys, so Xiaomi is expected to launch the flagship Xiaomi 12T series next month alongside Redmi's first ever tablet, the Redmi Pad. The tablet will be offered in cellular and Wi-Fi only models. And now a new report has revealed its design and price for Iraq and Kuwait. The tipster has also shared a commercial image of the tablet. As for the design, the tablet seems to be made of metal. There is a single camera at the back with no LED flashlight. The display on the Redmi Pad is gonna be an 11-inch LCD panel with 2K resolution. The device is rumored to be powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 SoC, but according to the new information, this will not be the case. The device is now said to be powered by the new MediaTek chip with MT8781 model number. However, the performance of this new chip is expected to be similar to the Helio G99 SoC. The Helio G99 is a 4G only SoC based on a 6nm process with 2 ARM Cortex-A76 cores and 6 power efficient ARM Cortex-A55 cores. The device has already received multiple certifications from various authorities including the CIRM, BIS and SGS FIMCO. All of these certifications strongly indicate that the launch of the Redmi Pad is just around the corner. As I said, the device will feature a single 8MP camera at the back. Under the hood, the device will be powered by a 7800 mAh battery with 18 or 22.5 watt fast charging support. The tablet may be offered in 3 and 4GB RAM with 32 and 64GB storage. It will run on MIUI 13 based on Android 12 and will be made available in graphite grey, moonlight silver and mint green color options. And finally, the pricing. The device will be offered with a price tag of $225 in Iraq and $233 in Kuwait. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below. And if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.